I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new exercise of question answer round of the chapter Sympathy. Question 1. Who is I in the first line? What is this transition? प्रथम पंक्ति में मैं कौन है उसकी क्या स्थिति है? In the first line, I pronoun is used for the poet. He is in trouble. Who heard his grief? उसका दुख के विषय में किसने सुना? A rich and a proud man heard of his grief. How did a proud man can help him? घमंडी व्यक्ति ने उसकी सहायता कैसे की? The proud man helped him with money. What was lacking in the proud man help? घमंडी व्यक्ति की सहायता में क्या कमी थी? Sympathy was lacking in a proud man help. What is meant by my sorrow past? मेरे दुख दूर हो गए से क्या तात्पर्य है? My sorrow past means the poet has recovered from his trouble. When did the poet pay the proud man back? कवि ने घमंडी व्यक्ति का धन कब लौटाया? कवि ने the poet paid back the proud man back when his sorrows was over. How did he pay? उसने धन कैसे लौटाया? The poet paid back him money and thanked him too. What three things did the poet do? कवि ने कौन से तीन काम किए? The poet did the following three things. The poet paid back the money to the man. He thanked him for his help. The poet blessed him, charity. I lay in want day and night. Who was ill? How do we know it? बीमार कौन था और यह कैसे जानते हो? The poet was ill. We know it by the words grief and pain. How did the poor man help the poet? गरीब व्यक्ति ने कवि की सहायता कैसे की? The poor man soothed the head of the poet. He gave him food and water. He looked after him day and night. How was the poor man helped different from the proud man helped? गरीब व्यक्ति की सहायता घमंडी व्यक्ति की सहायता से किस प्रकार विभिन्न है? The poor man help was full of sympathy, while the proud man help was devoid of single words of sympathy. Why was a poet unable to pay back the second time? दूसरी बार कवि असहाय का बदला चुकाने में असमर्थ क्यों रहा? एहसान का बदला चुकाने में असमर्थ क्यों रहा? The poet was unable to pay back the second time because the poet knows that money can be repaid, but sympathy cannot be repaid. What is sympathy called heavenly? सहानुभूति पूर्वक को दैविक क्यों कहा गया है? Sympathy is called heavenly because it is a noble gift of God. It is not based on selfish movie. It is above the money and liked by gods. How can you say that the poor man help was greater than gold? आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि निर्धन व्यक्ति की सहायता धन से बढ़कर थी? Poor man help was greater than gold because gold and money can be repaid, but man attitude or sympathy cannot be repaid. How was a poet helped by a proud man? घमंडी व्यक्ति द्वारा कवि की सहायता किस प्रकार की गई थी? When the poor man was ill, a proud and rich man helped him with money. जब कवि बीमार था, एक घमंडी तथा धनी व्यक्ति धन देकर उसकी सहायता करता है. Why was a poet not satisfied with proud man help? घमंडी व्यक्ति की सहायता से संतुष्ट क्यों नहीं हुआ कवि? The proud man helped him with money, but it was lacking his sympathy, so the poet was not satisfied with the proud man help. When and how did the poet pay back to the proud man? कवि ने कब और कैसे घमंडी व्यक्ति का एहसान लौटाया? The poet paid back his money when his sorrows was over. The poet paid him the money to the man and thanked him for his help and blessed him. How did the poor man help the poet? निर्धन व्यक्ति ने कवि की सहायता कैसे की? The poor man soothed the head of the poet. He gave him food and water. He looked after him days and night. What's the difference between a proud man and a poor man help? घमंडी व्यक्ति और तथा निर्धन व्यक्ति की सहायता में क्या अंतर था? The poor man help was full of sympathy, whereas the proud man help was monetary and devoid of sympathy. Why would the poet not pay back the poor man? कवि निर्धन व्यक्ति का बदला क्यों नहीं चुका सका? The poet could not pay back to the poor man because the poet feels that money can be repaid, but sympathy cannot never be repaid. What is sympathy called heavenly? Sympathy is called heavenly because it is noble gift of God. It's not based on selfish motive. It is above money and is liked by God. Thank you.